Hey everyone, okay, so I have another DAC unboxing. This one is called Magic Potion, and it is by Genoveva Arts. I'm not sure, but let's open the toolbox for our toolkit first. Not the toolbox, the toolkit first. This is going to be a square painting, so I'm excited about that. And like I said before, the squares are the only ones that have the tweezers in them. So, and they're the black tweezers that are really good. Plus you have the little tray, your little dime bags, your little drill pen. It's up, my camera's up high, you guys, because of the, it's a big painting. So you get the 4 and the 7 to put into your drill pen, and your little squishy, your washi tape. Let me see if I can get up here. Washi tape. And then these are the older ones, so they still have the cover minders. And there's the cover minders. My first flower. And then the wax you need for your pens. You peel off the back. There's plastic on the back of it. Okay, I really want to see what the painting looks like. So let's see. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited, but this one is going to be huge. It is going to be so big. Oh my gosh. I have a lot of big ones coming. Let me see if I can oh, it has 2, you guys. 2, oh, here it is. 2 drill bags. So we're going to be here for a little bit. It has 2 bags, you guys. Oh, so fun. And then, oh wow, and 2 papers. So this is what it's going to look like. This is what this looks like. Is that not beautiful? Look at that. That is just gorgeous. So you're going to have 71 colors, you guys. 71 Genoveva art. So you're going to have 71 colors. Now anything before a 150 is going to be AB diamonds, so which is Aurora Borealis diamonds. So there are 4 of those. And then over here you're going to have the specialty ones if they were a different, there is no, it's just Aurora Borealis, that's it. So there's no fluorescent or there's no glow in the dark, there's none of those in here. So so yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, this is a diamond shaped square. This is a 66.1 by 23.6. So you can imagine what this is going to look like. Sorry, Ashies. Let's see. It's going to go like this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so like, oh gosh, look at this, you guys. So massive. Ash, can you move a little, please? Holy smokes, you guys. Holy smokies. Look at this. Oh, it's still going. And it's still going. Oh my god, this is going to take my husband and I forever to do. Holy, and it's still going, you guys. Still going. Okay, I am 5'8". It is, yeah, I'm 5'7" actually. I shrunk an inch because I got old. So it is 5'7" and about 5'7". So it is going to be a long time. It won't fit in the frame. So let me roll it up a little bit and let me go inch by inch for you. So I still didn't open it all the way. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. Ah, this is beautiful. Holy smokes, it's beautiful. Let's go up a little. And look at the rendering. It is just, you can tell all the details. Look at that. You can see everything. Oh my gosh, look at the rose. I'm trying to hold it too. Wow, you guys. This is just beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I am in love. Wow. Oh, I have to sneeze. Gosh darn it. I just did an unboxing before this one that had cinnamon stickers. Scratch and sniff cinnamon, and I'm allergic to cinnamon. So now I gotta sneeze. Wow, you guys. Look at the marbles. Oh, look at this. I mean, look at my hand, you guys. I don't have a cute, dainty hand. I mean, I don't have a man hand, but look at that. That is just, that's like, look at, even both of them fit in the bottle. Holy smokes. This is just huge. And it's beautiful. It is beautiful, you guys. Man, it's going to take me forever to roll it up. This is just crazy. So let's look at the drills. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Whew. So I have been storing mine separate because I cannot put them back into the box to save my life. And they actually have the names of it on there. And so what I did is I ended up buying some bags from Amazon. And let me show you what I've been doing. So I can get the canvas back in the box, but not the drills. So I bought these bags from Amazon, and I have just been storing them in there like that, and it's been working out perfect. Because I was worried about, you know, losing them, you know, or some of them falling out, and I'm like, because you can tell that they belong to this collection from here, but it's like once you open it and some of the drills fall out, I don't feel like you can, like, you truly know where they belong. I don't think there's any indication. I don't think so. So yes, I want it all together, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, let me scooch it in, now that I can scooch it in. Because let's look at these. So you get 3 browns. 310, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bags of 310, you guys. 310, because black is like, I guess, the hardest to have perfect in drills. And then you get 4 bags of 898, which is the browns. Oh my goodness gracious. Holy smokes. Oh, alright. 976. This is going to be so much. I think we're going to do this one in the new year. And then look at the Aurora Borealis. This at 130. Oh, you can already see the shimmer and the shine. If you go on Instagram, you guys, put Magic Potion Diamond Art Club DAC into the search engine. Oh, look at that one. That one's also Aurora Borealis at 132. And you will see people who have held up theirs after they're done, and you can see the shimmer and the shine of it, and it's beautiful. It is really, really beautiful. So 2 of 3842 and 2 of 3837. Look at these colors, you guys. So pretty. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that one's beautiful. That one's an AB. So cute. Okay. Love the colors. So 2 bags of 470. Oh, look at that one. That's an AB. Oh my gosh, you guys. 2 of 3852. 2 of 699. 3 of 400. 3 of 301. 938. I will be doing whip and chaps. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call it now. Whip and chaps. Yeah, let's do that. Hopefully not, you know, the butt kind. 742 where you don't have any pants on. Hopefully not those. So like son-in-law and Polly Shore with his. Yeah, but yeah, whip and chaps. Let's go with it. But I'm going to start doing those. $7.42, you get 2 of those. And yeah, so you'll be diamond painting with me. And we'll just chit chat. 3826, 3 of those. So 666, you get 1 of those, but it's a beautiful color. 471, 2 greens. So 2 550s, 2 937s. 814. As you can tell, I am not a professional YouTuber. I will never claim to be a professional YouTuber. I love life, and I love having fun, and I love laughing. So, alright guys, so that was Magic Potion. What do you think? Ugh, it's going to take forever. It really is, but oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, I love it so much. I love DAC so much. Alright guys, we'll see y'all later. Bye.